So here we have our SHURE GLXD system. This is the microphone receiver. This is the body pack. When you first get your microphone receiver, it will look like, and turn it on, it will look like this. There is a battery that looks like this. You can either put it in this hole right here on the right to charge it, like so, or you can put it in the body pack like so. And then in this body pack you can also charge the battery while it's in the body pack via this micro HDMI port. One of our biggest complaints is the microphones get staticky, or they lose connection and you don't hear anything, or it's got static. So first things first, when you turn your body pack on, it's gonna flash like this. If it's flashing like that, it's not connected to the receiver. See how it turns solid? That means it's now connected. And now you can see numbers here. You can see this is the battery life right here. So it's got 3 hours 53 minutes of charge. This is the volume. It is automatically going to start out on group 1, channel 1. Okay, so to change the channel, this button right here says group. This button right here at the bottom is the channel button. You can either hold down the group button until the group button flashes, and then just press it once, it'll change to 2, press it again, 3, 4, and that's it. If you don't change it and you just hold it there, it'll do that. It's going to start auto scanning all of group 1's channels, and it'll look for the strongest and most robust signal. And now you see how it said calibrating or calc? That means that it automatically changed to the receiver. See how it's not flashing, it's solid? The body pack will connect again automatically. It is built to do so. If for whatever reason it does not, there is a link button right here in the corner, and then there's a link button again right here. It's right there. You press both of those at once and it'll link the body pack to the receiver. Okay, so let's say again, group 1, channel 4, you've gone through all the channels and you still haven't gotten anything. SHURE says that group 2, channel 2 is the best signal to start out on. So you do that, channel 2, and now it'll scan through those channels and it'll select the best one first, the second best second, and the second best third. So group 2, channel 5 is, where I am currently. That is the most robust signal, the least amount of interference. And so what happens with these is, so now that it's chosen group 2, channel 5, like I was saying, it'll choose the first best first, and then it'll have 2 or 3 backup channels. So let's say you're in the middle of a class and it starts detecting interference on this channel, it will automatically change channels, and then this body pack will automatically link up. There should be no audio droppage. There should be nothing of the sort. Now, another problem that we get is feedback. So if in your gym you're used to having the mic set at 80 on the control space iPad, and one of these receivers gets installed and you put it to 80% and you get feedback. Well, one thing to check is this right here, this gain volume. If you would like to keep the iPad at 80%, but you're getting feedback, you'll have to come here and turn it down. And you do that by these 2 buttons right here. So it's at plus 20 right now. Oops. See if I can. If you press this down button, it'll go to plus 19, plus 18, so on and so forth. And all that really needs to be done is finding the right balance. So let's say we dropped it down to plus 13, and now when you're at 80 on the iPad, you don't feed back anymore. You know you can leave it set like that. These mic systems are supposed to be very smart mic systems, so there really shouldn't have to be too much messing around with them. Maybe at first while you're trying to find the right frequency band that works best for that location, but once that's set, you really shouldn't have too many problems with these systems. Thanks, that is it for this one. We'll see you guys later.